Hey guys, it's Rodrigo Settings, and I got a new ceiling fan that will be replacing this thing that will always keeps buzzing a lot. Hopefully the new ceiling fan doesn't do it. So yeah, I got a 44-inch Harbor Breeze Mayfield ceiling fan. Yep. So yeah, we got this fan off at Renault Depot. So yeah, I'm not gonna install it just yet. I just need to most likely install in just 4 or 5 days. In 4 or 5 days, not install it during 4 or 5 days. But yeah, so this is what the interior is. Interior of the box. Yep, here's the globe and here's the motor. Yep, so I'll be installing this soon. I'm not going to show the video, but I'll show it in all 3 speeds. Here's the energy guide. So yeah, expect videos from the ceiling fans soon. Anyways, this is Rodrigo signing off.